Welcome back to another video here with SirMaloperformance. Today we're working on Project Beast. Gonna change those upper control arms due to those ball joints just being worn and torn. Oh yeah, that sounds nasty. That upper control arm, that bushing is shot. So me and my brother, we lifted it up yesterday. I was showing him the truck, and sure enough, both sides are pretty worn, pretty beat up. We went ahead and put that bar test, and then we obviously did the 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock positioning test, and you can tell, man, these things are goners. And again, the end links all nice and loose. The actual boot of the shock down here where it ties up, it's they're worn, they're beat. And let me show you here on at least the driver's side. That bushing is out of place. So we're gonna lift it up, try to show you guys a closer view of it. But yeah, that's Project Beast, the most latest collection of SirMaloperformance. So we got the wheels off. I got everything pretty much loose. I got my 10 off up here, and then this design of spindle or lift, it has an 11mm bolt that holds the brake line. Again, this is a FabTech lift kit. Everything's pretty shot, like I said. The end links are shot. They have pressure on them right now. The bolt's broken loose right here all the way. So the next thing is give it a couple of love taps. Driver's side. ¿Quieres darle unos chingazos? The passenger side. My brother slapped the heck out of the other side, but I just wanted to kind of show you those end links. They seem a lot more shorter than what the stock ones are. I was trying to hop online, see if they use a different type or a different one. So I'm going to take these ones off. I'll go to AutoZone, see if I get some energy suspension on there, as well as these outer tie rods, because they seem pretty beat up. Again, this is the condition of that upper control arm, and again the ball joint is pretty shot. But I have the nut there. I'm gonna break these loose. Again, the upper control arms. Oh, you already got it away? Hell yeah! Let's see. So that's what that's for. That's what that's for. Okay. That little guy. So we got the upper control arms here. They're the ones that just came in through Amazon. So Iron Tree is the brand that came. So those guys came in clutch. I ordered them last night, literally around 7:30 p.m. and they had an overnight delivery. And hopefully these work out. Again, they're new. They'll be better than what I got right now. So I'm going to concentrate on taking these off. These are the 21mm on the top. We're going to break those loose next. This one's pretty much off, and then we should have access. Again, obviously safety first. You guys want to keep a jack on it because that spring has plenty of pressure. The moment that sucker comes down, that thing's pushing down. So that's the only thing that's holding it all together. So keep that in mind. If you guys haven't done this before, definitely take it to a shop. Over here, he took off those tower bolts, the 21mm, scooted them out of the way. Again, you want tension on this. If not, that whole system will collapse on you. It will fall out on you. So right now we have the jack, we have the end links in place. Like I say, one thing at a time. It's a little bit dirty, we'll polish that up. So he's got one upper control arm out. This one comes with the lock nut. But to be honest, I think this one is a little bit better. Alrighty, so I'm just wiping that down. Again, we're just concentrating on these upper control arms. The new upper control arm. It's got a nice set of bushings here. Looks nice and pressed in, nice and even. Both sides, looks about the same gap. They're not seated all the way, which is perfectly fine. We'll find out here. My brother cleaned off that top part. That looks good, way. Looks really good. Ya de todos modos ya le limpié ya adentro en estas. That's it, way. Those bad boys go in. Alright, so again, this part is by Iron Tree. That goes. A little emphasis to get them in. There you go, boy. That's it. Put the bolts back in. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got the bolts over here. We'll wipe these down. We'll clean them. Again, this was I separated them. This is going to be the last one that I took off. That was the first one that I took off. So this one, the last one that I took off was this forward one. And that one over there is going to be this back one, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on that, guys. Sorry for the delay. But I got to get to work. Let's talk. Dropped in the upper control arm. Go ahead and mark them. Always mark them before you install them. I know I did. But the next step here is to torque this bad boy down. Torque it to spec, to your model, your maker model. Especially if you have a lift kit, to whatever your lift kit calls for, definitely torque it down to that spec. If you have upgraded spindles, if you have upgraded upper control arms, you always want to go to the spec sheet that they provide you with, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and grease up the ball joint. My brother's here's got a machine to fill it up. Alrighty guys, so the truck is done. It's on wheels right now. And that's what we changed, is that upper control arm. We greased it. What definitely needs to be also replaced is the shocks, the end links, the wheel hub bearings. So those are ordered. So stay tuned for that video on how to replace them. But for now, we got those upper control arms installed. So it's looking good. Again, I gotta go get it aligned. But that's the truck right here, guys. I know it's your first time you're looking at it. This is Project Beast. When I purchased it, didn't have any front seats. So I did the power seat for the front. Look, no airbag lights on for now, knock on wood. But yeah, did the center console on it. Got the other seat. These are nice little seats. I've never seen these before. So when I purchased them, I was just kind of like, what did they come out of? So again, sound system was stolen out of it, as you guys can see. I have the little grill, but I ordered the speakers. Speakers are on the way, but the seats are clean, man. This truck is lifted. It's also got a body lift. So the whole bed's lifted, the whole cab is lifted. Everything's lifted on this. So there's the cab lift, right, with the spacers. So the spacers right there. It's got the track bars. It's got a two-piece drive shaft. It's got dual muffler, independent exhaust, no X-pipe, so driver side and passenger side exhaust, but it all gets swept all to the back. It's lifted on blocks. It's got drum brakes on the rears. Again, it's just a two-wheel drive, but it sits nice. It really does sit nice. I'll do the headliner as well. The headliner, like they stole that DVD player thingy on the top. It doesn't have a whole lot of miles. It books it. I'm gonna fix that oil pressure sending unit again. I have a video on here on my channel if you guys want to check that out. But as long as you have the tool, it's pretty easy to do. But we'll do that. So stay tuned for more of SirMalo Performance. This is the latest vehicle of the SirMalo Performance collection that we have here. But that's it, man. Also got that fender. I know it's bent, but I got that fender right there at the house. So stay tuned. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.